Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, there was high drama in the House of Representatives this afternoon following the Speaker's decision to restrict parliamentary debate of the Auditor General's report on the Caribbean Maritime University CMU.
Now this led to heated exchanges and a major standoff. And what about the CMU Council and current operations at the university?
We'll get to that in a moment, but first, the standoff. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm now joins us live. Andrea, what was happening in the House today?
Well, Janella Herman, today's sitting of Parliament was highly anticipated as House Speaker Pernell Charles promised to table the Auditor General's report on the CMU. Now, as you will recall, the parliamentary opposition and anti-corruption watchdog National Integrity Action questioned the Speaker's decision last week for not tabling the report. Having taken note of the public debate, House Speaker Pernell Charles came armed with his speech, admitting that he has a duty to table the Auditor General's report in keeping with the Constitution. But the Constitution also dictates that those charged with criminal offences should get a fair hearing. Since former Education Minister Ruel Reid and CMU President Fritz Pinnock are facing fraud-related charges linked to the CMU, the House Speaker decided to table the report under one condition.
I shall prevent the members of the House from entering into any debate and or discussion of the said report in a manner that would prejudice the fair trial of persons who are charged in relation to matter concerning the said report in the sentential court.
That request did not sit well with the opposition. For Dr. Peter Phillips, on the face of it, the AG's report did not make specific reference to the criminal charges laid. He also wanted to know the legal basis of the House Speaker's decision.
Dr. Phillips. Dr. Phillips.
Mr. Speaker.
Dr. Phillips.
Yes, Mr. Speaker.
Dr. Phillips.
I am asking you a question.
I am not entertaining any debate.
Mr. Speaker.
Matter.
Mr. Speaker, I am not proposing a debate. And I am entitled to ask a question of you. And you are duty-bound in this parliament, which remains a democratic parliament, to answer to legitimate concerns. I am asking if you will share with this House the basis of the legal advice on which you have acted, or have you advised yourself?
As the Speaker of the House, and one who is qualified, and one who has been to a university like you, and have obtained a degree in government, I advise myself according to the standing order and the Constitution. I have a brother who is an attorney, I have not applied to him. I have a son who is an attorney, I did not apply to him.
It's a similar situation, an Yale situation, where the judge ruled then that the issue could not be laid until it is disposed of in the House. So I assume that's what your guidance is about.
Nonetheless, Ronald Thwaites urged the House Speaker to reconsider his decision as the report was leaked to the media.
That the Parliament itself is making, at your behest, itself into a eunuch, because that which you are seeking to suppress is already in everybody's hands.
So will the Public Accounts Committee be able to examine the Auditor General's report on the CMU? In response to that question from Mark Golding, Mr. Charles indicated that the report should be available to all areas of Parliament. And I must point out that media houses were also criticized for publishing aspects of the Auditor General's report before it was tabled in Parliament today. The House Speaker said it was highly improper and serves to undermine the proper functioning of the House and the office of the Speaker. And Mr. Charles Janella called for the matter to be investigated.